My name is Luis. I'm building operator from a building with 12 floors in downtown Toronto. We have 2 parking lots and we have mechanical rooms, electrical rooms, sprinkler rooms, like all building has, but we have some particular details that we have to take care because all buildings don't run the same way. So we're in the mechanical room. We have a lot of equipment to check here. Hot water, air conditioning system, glycol system. So there's a lot of thermometers and gauge that we need to check always, every day, to make sure the building is running fine. Hot water system. So my sticker is there, and it's asking me for the pressure. So I check here, and then it tells me 75. So I can type it right away. It's gonna be safe in the system. Hot water tank. It also has the sticker on the side, and the thermometer is right there, so I can check the temperature of the water and type it. You can put a range that if the temperature is too high, it's gonna show a red sign here, and then it tells you that something is going wrong with the hot water. So we have the air conditioner, the makeup air unit. So you can check the number from outside and the air that we are pushing inside the building. It has the same way. You scan, you check the status, make sure it's working fine. If there is any alarm, you can mark it here. In this case, we don't have any. And then you can check the temperature. We have the temperature from outside, and we can type it. And then we have the temperature to push inside the building. So you type it, and then that's all you need. If everything is fine, the number is gonna show like in green. This is a primary loop. We check the unit. In this case, it's not working, but we can make a comment that the unit, because it's a seasonal piece of equipment, we work only on winter. We need to heat the building. So we type it, or we make a note that the equipment in this moment is not being used. You can do it that, or it's not being used. So you have the chance to type all those things. You have control of the building, how it's behaving, and knowing your building, because we're saving those data and online. You can check every day, and then you can learn how the building is behaving, and then you can detect any potential damage in the equipment, or something is about to break. You might detect it before it happens. And your daily, one of my job is to check the stairwells, make sure it's clear and no hazards. So it's very easy to use it. This program, I like it. I already checked like no obstacles and make sure the exit signs are working fine, the light. So just in case we have a fire, everything is safe, and we can prove that we are doing our job to keep everyone safe. So we're about to get in the sprinkler room. We have to check here the wet system, the dry system. We have in the building. Also, we can check the pressure of the city and the pressure of the water that we are supplying to the building. We can type it. Here we have wet and dry system. So we have high pressure and low pressure in those systems. So we can record it. This is the dry system. We can record it, the high pressure versus the low pressure. I have the water meter. So depending on the building, you can add that to your checking. And in our case, we always record the water meter, so we know how much water we're spending also. You can control that also, knowing how much water you spend in the building. So If you see any number going too high, it means it can be also like a leak in the building, so we can try to find a way to fix that problem. It's easy to use. It took me 2 days just to be more familiar with the system, and after that it's just very quick to do it. When you're very used to do it, like very quick, you can put your data inside, and I like it because as soon as you type it, it's gonna be safe. So in the end of the day, you're saving time doing your report because it's already in the system. The manager or whoever is in charge beside me, they can pull it and see it right away, all my job that I did before. And it's very easy to use, like I said, and it mostly because it saves time. If I have many calls during the day, sometimes I don't have time to go and sit in the computer at the end of the day and type it. And so I can just accumulate job, and then because this is so easy to use, it's already there.
For more information about C2020, please go to commercialfireandsafety.com or contact your C2020 administrator.